Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can block camera access on Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and we are going to open the Chrome web browser. So type Chrome. Now you'll find Google Chrome under the best match. Just go ahead and click on that. Now maximize the Google Chrome browser. Then here you will find these three dots at the top right corner, that is to customize and control Google Chrome. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Scroll down and you'll find site settings, controls what information sites can use and show, including location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Click on that. And here under permissions, you'll find camera. Sites can ask to use your camera. Click on that. So if you're going to allow sites can ask to use your camera, you can click on this option. But if you are going to block the camera access on your Google Chrome, just simply click this option or choose this option. Don't allow sites to use your camera. But in some cases that you want to allow the sites to ask or can use your camera, then you have the customized behaviors from here, wherein you can allow some sites to use your camera. You can also change your camera from here. So choose your laptop's camera. So I have the HP True Vision HD camera. Now also click on this and here you'll find for the location, microphone notifications. You can also do the same process. If you're going to block sites to use your location, just simply choose the second option, which is don't allow sites to see your location. So that's it. And then once you choose for the don't allow sites to use your camera, then the sites cannot use your camera, or you have just blocked the access of the sites into your camera. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.